View Laser Skin Rejuvenation is an aesthetic medical practice. As a physician, I direct all the care that is provided here, and I have a team of staff that are available for treatment and advice as well.
I had been receiving aesthetic services in Vancouver, driving to Vancouver, thinking and believing that I had the best of the best. Then I heard about View Laser and I thought, well, I'll give them a try. And I got the best microdermabrasion I'd ever had in my life. It is truly the place of choice.
People will come to see us and they have a concern. And that concern usually has a significant amount of stress and anxiety related to it. What we can do for people is we can take that concern and we can change their appearance in a very natural, very appealing way. And by doing that, help them find that person in themselves that puts their best foot forward, and all of a sudden they're very positive in their outlook. They're positive in how they feel about themselves, and that creates an enduring change in that person.
To me, what builds trust is when somebody listens to you and then follows through. There's no question in my mind that that happens here on every account, actually, with every team member, and most certainly Dr. Ray. Just the other day I said to Dr. Ray, we need to take care in every step we take and everything we do. And just the way he looked in my eyes and said, there's no question. That's what we will always do, and that has proven to be the case.
When people first call the office or first come through the door, they'll see Erin. And we've known Erin since she was 6 years old. She's an amazing young woman, and she's like family to us.
It's more than the sort of typical customer service talk, friendly. When they say, how are you? I think they're really interested. It also goes further if they know that I may be tense about a service. It's the frontline people right here who say, hey, you don't need to worry about it, it's really nothing. And then they tell you a little story, and by the time you go in for the service, you're very relaxed.
It's normal for people to come in and feel anxious and nervous. They don't know. We help to educate them, and we help them focus on the positive result at the end. When we make decisions, we make them with our clients, and we always make them in their best interest.
I would never ever opt for anything invasive, so the kinds of services offered here are just perfect for me.
There's a lot of mystery out there in the aesthetics world, and it can be very confusing. So the basic principle that we have, we do not adopt any technology or any procedure unless we are 100% sure it's going to deliver results for people.
Dr. Ray has above-level training in many areas than most people around. And so I can't believe that in Little Tsawwassen we have such high-level competency right here.
We use Botox, dermal fillers, CO2 laser, IPL, and cool sculpting.
The one area that has troubled me a lot of my life is this little bloop in my stomach, little bump of fat. So I walked in here to View Laser to have a microdermabrasion in early February, and I walked into the treatment room, and there I saw the cool sculpting machine. I said to Clancy, you don't do cool sculpting here? And she said, yes, we do. And I said, book me.
Clancy is our esthetician, and she has 10 years of experience in the aesthetic field. I consider her the top esthetician in the province of British Columbia. She provides care and attention to everyone, and again, she feels the same philosophy that we do here, which is the client's interests are always first.
I had the procedure about 2 weeks ago, and it was just so easy and so comfortable for once in my life. I'm going to look forward to a flat stomach.
When people achieve their optimal results, I'm ecstatic. It is heartwarming, and when people come back in the door after their treatment and I see them and they smile and I smile, and sometimes we hug and sometimes we high-five each other, there's been a difference made in their life. That's the type of thing that I look forward to every day.
I think what feels best, though, to me is that I would look happy, I would look bright, I would look healthy, I would look vibrant. The best term I could use is that I feel rejuvenated.